So, good day, sir. So, my name is Lawrence Villarte from BIS IT3E. So, this is the library management system of my classmates, which is si Oliver Tabobo. So, I'm going to design the system. The problem is the CRUD operation is not function and no animation effects. So I'm going to add some missing screen or pages and I add some overlay and enhance ko yung hover niya and I add animation effects. So check natin kung ano ba yung pwede nating enhance dito sa design, sa system. So, books. So, hindi gumagana yung edit, delete, then add books niya. So, dito din sa. So, pakita ko yung nire-design ko. So, this is my redesign library management system. So, let's start. So, pansin nyo, mas visible na yung hover niya. So, try natin mag-login. So, may dinagdag ko dito is overlay effect. So, magpapakita yung login successful. And then, click natin yung OK. So, yon gumanon. Ibig sabihin, nag-add ako ng animation effects. So, try natin. Click natin itong box. So, yun. Nag-animation siya. So, yun. Yun. So, yun. In-add ko yung animation effects niya. Then, try natin yung sa users. Try natin mag-edit and delete. So, try natin to. So, yun. Overlay ulit. So, yun. Kunwari, example, ito yung i-add natin. Update. So, yun. Update na. Then, trying to delete. So, yun. Na-delete na. Then, try natin sa books. So, try natin mag-add ng books. So, click natin to. Then, example, this is the books that we add. Then, update natin. Then, yun, lumabas yung overlay. So, yun. Update na. Try natin i-delete. So, yun. Delete na. So, yun lang, sir. Gumagana po na. May overlay po. So, lagyan na tayo. Yan po.